Alright, so what I want to do is I just want to tack it together first before I commit to welding it. So I'm going to start lining it up, tack welding it together right here at the front. Then I'm going to tack weld it at the back now too, make sure they line up. Yeah, so at the front and the back. Then I'm going to sort of hold these together and start tack welding it together. Then if I think it lines up properly, I'm just going to start making more tack welds, sort of holding it together with pliers, and then finish welding it.